Welcome to Stow Car Company in Chelmsford. Stow Car Company is an RAC approved by Shaw retailer. That means that all of our vehicles, cars and commercial vehicles pass through a strict 82-point RAC check in addition to our own workshop inspections. It's my absolute pleasure to present today this very nice Ford Transit Custom, low mileage with service history, and of course has both keys. Very nice overall, presents exactly as you would expect to find it. It is virtually unmarked in every way. We are very fussy with all the vehicles here at Stow, and that is the main purpose of these video presentations, to demonstrate the overall cosmetic appearance. If the sound quality isn't 100% today, I do apologise. It's very windy here today, but I will do my best. The main purpose of these videos is to demonstrate the overall cosmetic appearance, so you know exactly what you're coming to view, or indeed collect. I have to say, overall, it presents very well indeed. It is virtually unmarked, but I will point out anything that I see. First of all, point to note, there was a chip in the windscreen. It was quite a big chip, but it has been filled professionally, so it has resin in there. So that is all done. But looking along the driver's side, there are no nasty gouges, dents or dings that I can see. The alloy wheel, driver's side front, appears to be virtually unmarked. As you can see, no nasty gouges or major dents or dings along the driver's side. If we miss something very minor, it's certainly not deliberate. We aim to point everything out so you know exactly what you're coming to view or collect. But looking inside, as you can see again, there's certainly no excessive wear on the seat base or the bolster itself. It smells fresh and clean inside. Everything looks as it should. It drives exactly as you would expect it to as well. It's certainly not been abused. Rear panel on the driver's side, no nasty gouges or dents. If we miss something very minor, it's certainly not deliberate. Anything we see, we do point out. But we are only human after all. Alloy wheel, driver's side rear, again, appears to be virtually unmarked. And the same as I make my way round towards the rear. No nasty gouges, dents or scratches. A very light scuff lower down just here, which we will polish to improve. And there's a little mark there, but I think that should, the majority of which, polish out. Along the bottom here, again, nothing major to point out at all. Inside, it's as you would expect for the age and mileage. No major impact damage, a couple of light marks on the bulkhead, but nothing to get upset about. A few marks on the insides, both sides. Few marks as you can see, and the same on the doors. A few marks on the insides of the doors. I don't know if you'll see it very well in the video, but there are a few marks both sides on the insides of the rear doors. Doesn't detract from the overall appearance. As you can see, the outside all looks as it should. Again, no cracks in the rear lens on the passenger side rear, and no nasty ripples, dents or things along the passenger side. Alloy wheel, once again, appears to be virtually unmarked. Passenger side, no nasty gouges, dents, dings again. Nothing really obvious to point out at all. Tiny little trolley dink just there. I don't think you'll even see it, but it is there. Very slight. But as mentioned, we try to point everything out. In the cabin here, you can see it's certainly not been abused. It's in good used condition. And finally, alloy wheel, passenger side front. Couple of marks on the passenger side front alloy wheel that have been touched in just here. But that's about all I can find. I'd always expect a few stone chips on the front end of any vehicle that's been on the road. I'm sure this is no exception, but I am struggling to find anything obvious. But to cover myself expect a couple of stone chips. I am looking, there's one there, one little stone chip just there. But expect a few stone chips, although I can't see anything obvious. Overall, presents very well indeed, a very nice example. You can reserve this vehicle on our website if you wish. You can also apply for finance there, but you can of course do all of these things over the phone in the offices with us as well. You can WhatsApp us, email us, live chat us, or indeed just pick up the phone. We'll be happy to answer any questions you may have. This is Stow Car Company in Chelmsford. It was my pleasure today to present this very nice Ford Transit Custom.